All right, here's question 62 in thermochemistry. Question tells you that when you burn hydrogen, there's 120 joules of heat released per gram of hydrogen burned. So if you have 2 grams of hydrogen, you turn 40 joules of heat released. For methane, there's 50 joules of heat per gram. So quite a bit more heat per gram of hydrogen than there is per gram of methane. It says, okay, if you burn 5 grams of hydrogen and 10 grams of methane, and the heat from those two things is transferred into 50 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius, what's the final temperature of the water going to be? So the water temperature is obviously going to go up. So look at your labels here. There's that many joules per gram. We have 5 grams. So to figure out how much heat the hydrogen is going to release, we can take 120 joules per gram times 5 grams. Your labels will cancel. So 120 times 5 would be 600 joules of heat is going to be released by burning 5 grams of hydrogen. And same thing over here, 50 joules per gram times 10 grams of methane is going to give us 500 joules of heat released by that. So together that is 1100 joules of heat going into that water. Well, if we want to know the final temperature of the water, we can go Q equals MC delta T for the water. And the 1100 would be the heat going in. We have 50 grams of water, 4.18 joules per gram per degree Celsius. I'm just going to go delta T. So multiply those two, take 1100 divided by that answer, and you'll get your change in temperature. It is a change of about 5.3 degrees Celsius. Well, this heat is going into the water, so the water was at 25 degrees Celsius originally. It's going to go up. So plus 25 degrees Celsius. Final temperature of the water would be about 30.3 degrees Celsius.